Are you seeing this? Are they naked in that car? Provo Peak might just be the hardest peak that we've ever done. And it's not just because it's unbelievably steep, which it is, but because of the teeth-rattling, tire-flattening road that you have to drive to get there. For us, it was almost an hour of the narrow passes, big washouts, occasional wild animals. And don't let our naked friends in the Corolla fool you. If you don't have high clearance, you won't make it. And all that the road throws at you is just a warning shot from the mountain. If you're not prepared, then don't come. And all of that is why, for this hike, I recruited the two most prepared people I know. Come on up.
Oh, we're going?
Oh, we're going. Oh,
We're going with the sticks, Tyler.
could these like walk?
We're only 5 minutes into the hike, and we're not even off the 2-track that leads up to the actual trail. It's steep enough that before we get to the trailhead, we're gonna be higher than the next ridgeline behind us, which is crazy how steep this trail is. The internet says it's a 1/4 mile to the cairns. Calling that myth busted. It's almost a 1/2 mile. It's just shy of a 1/2 mile to the cairns, which is not bad. Only one of us is dying so far. So it's about what I expected. You low on oxygen? Which one?
Well, that one, right?
Way in the distance.
I think so, because I'm pretty. If that's White Mountain, then that should be Slate Canyon. But we may be more south than I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm not sure. This way. So we heard there's false summits. Which one's the real summit?
Oh, you can't see it from here.
You still can't see it?
No.
Okay.
No, you guys have got,
Probably 1/2 mile at least.
you're probably halfway.
Okay.
So, just acquired some new information from these people. That is not the second one. That is the first one. Or is that the second one?
That is the most deceiving of
That's
them.
one of them.
That is-
That is not where we're going. We're going behind that.
So far, this part sucks the worst. Scree, cliffy little edges. This is worse than the last 1/2 mile of Temp for sure. This is what it looks like standing on top of the false summit. Turns out there's more false summit after the false summit. After several hours of suffering, we did eventually find the real summit. And like all peaks, it's the view that makes it worth the struggle.
Up here, looking at this thing. Just I don't know what it is. Noticed behind this rock. Oh, a notebook. You leave your notes. So I left a message on it. Says,
Because I do.
still far back, but lower. It's now Baldy, or Big Baldy, something Baldy. There's Squaw. That's Y Mountain. That's Big Nip.
Yeah. What an epic view just from the false summit.